Hello techies, welcome to AI Brahma YouTube channel. My name is Ganesh. In this video tutorial, we are learning about one of the real-time project in Automation Anywhere, that is Active Loans. In bot DNA technology, Active Loans project is one of the popular project. Why? Because you can learn a lot of logics and commands of Automation Anywhere and RPA tool with real-time example. So that's why this is one of the best practicable real-time example. So don't skip the video till the end. Please watch the video and do it in your system as it is. You will get lot of tips and tricks about automation anywhere very easily. And it is very similar to your company projects or a real-time projects. So that's why I will recommend you to do this activity at least 2 to 3 times in your device so that you will be practice so many commands in the automation anywhere. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you. So in 100 users, only 35 users are subscribed to my channel. Another 65 is not subscribed. So I'm requesting you to guys, if any changes I need to make in the videos, please comment on the video or you can directly contact me to give the feedback. Your feedback is very welcome. So I will change my style or I will add more content in the video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe to the video. So without wasting the time, we will directly go to now the real part of the active loans. In the Chrome, I have opened the bot DNA technology website. So here we will get more than 20, 15 real-time projects. Locator already I have uploaded. So you can watch that locator video also that is available inside my playlist of YouTube. And active loan is the one today we are learning. Okay, so very useful scenarios. These are all. So one by one we will cover it. So first, so we have covered the locator. Now we are in the active loans. I hope you have watched the locator video also. If you are not, please watch that also. You will get more clarity about data table and Excel activities in that scenario. So here in this scenario, active loan is basically a bank scenario. So here you will have a active uh, loan and PAN number and loan code you have. Okay, so like a loan code means in which bank you have a loan. And inside that, see what is the requirement. You can go to the requirement link and you can clear with a requirement in the video also. Already the bot DNA technology companies uploaded requirement video. You can just check that one also. But the requirement is very simple. You have to first download the input. So I have already downloaded that input and I will show you that input file. See, like this, you will get one input file. If you open the input, you will get some account numbers. Okay, so like this, some customer account number will be there. Now you have to extract the details of bank, branch, loan, amount, like this, headers, right? This information you have to extract from the website. This is important requirement of this particular scenario. You will have the account number as like this. Some totally, I hope, more than 78 account numbers we have, 70 plus, right? It will vary depending on the time, it will vary, right? So now if you go to the bot DNA active loan website, here we have a data table structure, right? This we will call it as a table structure. You will get a status, loan code and PAN number. Other details like bank, branch, loan, you will get inside this particular link. Okay, example, this is Saptagiri Gramin Bank, right? So if you click on this, you will get one zip file like this. You have to open that zip file and you will get a text file with the account number. That account number text file, if you open, you will get here other detail, branch, bank, loan, everything. You have to extract the detail from this particular GIF text file, right? So this one is very critical. So that's why very important project this is. So you can learn about what is zip, how you can unzip the how you can unzip, and without clicking on this particular link, how we can download the zip file, right? This is amazing concept we have in automation anyway. So don't miss that. So each and every second is very important in this project. So now what we have to do here, one logic they have given. To click on this or to download this, we have 7325, right? This is a four letter or four character of your account number. If you see here, this one is having around length of, just I will take it as a length. So like this, you can calculate the length. So totally 12. So all your account number having 12 numbers basically. Okay. In 12 number, 12 character, last four characters are mentioned in your links. See, Saptagiri Gramin Bank 7325. This is 7325 is a last four number of your account number, right? So this is one of the things you have to remember carefully. This logic they have given. So this is about the requirement. We have to extract the data and capture inside the input file. This is ultimate goal. Step by step we will cover. So directly I will go to my automation anywhere, right? So just I will log in with automation anywhere. So now if you have any question about the requirement, you can just watch the requirement video on the same website, or you can just comment on the my YouTube video. I will help you out. Okay. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. If you have any doubt, you can contact me through any of the social media link which is available in the description. So now, what is the first step we have to follow in the active loans? The first step is we have to add a try and catch. This is basically I will add it. Error handling. What is error handling and how it will work? Already I have uploaded a video in the YouTube channel. You can just watch that and you can understand better. So in the catch, I will take two variables, that is error message and error line number. This is very important. And in the catch, I will take one message box also to get to know if any error comes, what is that error, right? Error message is error message. And also I need error line number. For that, I will take a new line. Okay, new line will give you the next line. So again, I will take here error line number. So error line number is here, error line number, right? So this is basically a number. So I need to make it as dot to string to show in the message box, right? These all are things we have already learned in the previous videos. So now try and catch is done. My error handling is done. So the first step is whenever you will do the activity of uh, your website, the first step clear or close website or delete input. So these two things are very much important. So I'm going step by step. Please don't skip it. Because whenever we will run the bot, after the completion of the bot, your website may open or your older input may available inside your this one your folders, right? So that we have to clear it. How to clear it? Very simple. The first thing is you have to take a if condition. In the if condition, so I will take window exists to close the window. Okay, if the window exists, which window? Very simple, go to the browser and refresh it and take the active loan, that particular window. So just wait for notifying device. Okay, it is getting the device. Now you can just select what bot DNA active loans. That's it, right? Save. And I will not use, as we discussed in the earlier locator scenario also, we will not use again and again any other variable for the window. The same window name I will use it, browser one. I will just change the window name as win win active loan, not a locator here, active loan. So this is basically a win active loan window, right? Same thing I will use it in the future steps. Okay, why? Because to reduce the variable count in my particular scenarios, right? That is very important in automation anywhere or any of your RPA tool. We have to reduce the variables. Wherever you have the provision to use a same variable, you have to use the same variable. Don't create again and again. Okay. So now I will use a close action. So close browser action, and here what I will do, just I will take a window and I will not take a browser, directly take a variable. In the variable, type it as win active loan. That's it, right? So win active loan will close everything. And here, one more thing I wanted to do, just delete unused variable. That is important. Sorry. Okay, delete it. Inactive loan. Yes, it's correct. So now I will have a minimum variable, and now my window close is completed, right? So, and after closing the window, means using the window close, use a wait option. Why we have to use a wait? Because sometimes what will happen if you close the window also, sometimes it will take some time to close it, right? We have to wait till that. So wait for window to close. Variable is win active loan. This is best practice to use it. So whenever you will open or close it, wait for sometimes to close or wait sometimes to open the browser. Okay. So now this is completed. Next thing is if input file is exist, right? The older input file that I need to remove. File, if the file exists, right? So where our file is exist, I am just checking here. So just I will copy the path and paste it in the browse, okay, and take the input. Fine. So this is my path where if the file is exist, then I'm deleting that file. Drag and drop, and the same path you can use it, which is available in the if condition. Okay. Delete the file if the exists. So my initial setup is done. Close the website and delete input is done. This is my first step. First step is completed. What is next step? We have to open the website now, right? So the first step is completed initial setup. Next step is open website, right? Open website. So here what we have to use to open the website, open command from the web browser, right? Browser open command. And I will take a new window and Google Chrome. Don't take a default browser. Why and all we have already discussed about this. So that's why you can watch that particular video if you need a clarity about why we have to take only the Google Chrome or any specific browser instead of default browser. Right? That is one of the interview question also. Okay, so now I'm taking a Google Chrome, and what is the link to open? Just I will take the link from the bot DNA active loan and I will type it here, right? Done. So once after you will take a open command, again the best way to use a wait for window, right? And here again the variable is enough. Okay, now I'm taking wait for window to open. In the initial setup, I have taken wait for window to close. I hope that difference you have understand clearly, right? If you're not understanding, please comment on the video or watch again the video. Go back and watch. Definitely you will get what is exactly difference between open and close in the wait. Okay, in the variable section, I will take again win active loan because I'm talking about my active loan window only, right? And how long it will take to open? Maybe 10 seconds. I'm just giving as a 10-second here. So if it is not open, I need a error. So that's why throw an exception. This is very important whenever it is not opened properly, if any internet problem or any website issues. So we should get the error message in the error handler, right? That's why I'm using open website is completed. So next is I need to download this input file, right? So this is important. So one way of doing the download is the people what they will do, they will take a recorder option and they will click here and they will open. That is one way. Another way in our automation anywhere, directly we can download without opening the website also. That one option we have, right? So that option I will show you today. Okay. So what you have to do basically, just right click on this input XLSX and copy the link address. Okay, basically this link address will be your input XLSX link to download it. How you will get to know? Go to any other tab like this and paste that link. See, bot DNA active loan input.xlsx. If you hit the enter, it will get download, right? So this is the indication that you have a link to download that particular file. For that purpose, we don't want to use any of your recorder type or record or universal record. What you have to do, just go to your action and go to the browser. Okay, this is one of the best uh, thing we have in automation anywhere, that is download file in the browser option. Okay, download file. This is very important. What I will do, once it is open, I will download. In the open website only, I will take it. Open website and uh, download the input. Okay, this is a good command we have, and URL I'm giving like this. Okay, save location. Yes, I need a save location, right? In that cases, what I will do, save location is same exactly which I have given for deleting the file, right? Same thing I will give it in the save location. That's it. And overwriting the file, if already exists, it will not exist. Basically, it will delete before only. Now what we'll do, bot, so it will close the older files and older websites if it is available. If it is available, because I have used the if condition. And after that, it will open the freshly the website and it will download the file and it will keep it inside the particular folder also. Not in the download folder, it will keep it inside where you need in that folder itself. Okay. So now what is next? So next thing is we have to open that particular input file, right? For that purpose, I will use Excel Advance. Okay, before that, I have to use a step. So now the third step is your logic. Okay, you can use business logic or any logic. If you need more steps, then you can add it as a particular logic name also, right? So I will use in the logic particular step all the logics, whatever I have basically. So here I will use a Excel Advance open. You can use Excel Basic also and Excel Advance also, no issue. There is a lot of difference between Excel Advance and Excel Basic. The differences I have uploaded already in the YouTube channel. You can watch that differences between Excel Advanced and Excel Basic. If you are not clear about that, please contact through the comment of the video. Definitely, I will help you. So now desktop file, Excel file is this one, right? Already we have taken user Ganesh. Okay, so input XLSX. The sheet contains header. Yes, the sheet is contains the header. If you want to check again, you can go to input and check once, right? Sheet contains header. Yes, we have a sheet header. So that's why I'm taking sheet contains header. And specific sheet, if you see here, I have a specific sheet name as a loan. I will take it as loan. Specific sheet name is loan, right? And session is default. I will take it as default, no issue. So now this is completed, logic is completed, open Excel is completed. Now what we have to do, I need to check each and every account number from a column, right? Based on that, I need to download all the details. So for that, if you have a more than one row or more than one columns, then we will go with the loops only, right? So in the loop, to go with a one by one row in the Excel, I need to take the loop. In the loop, I will take Excel. Okay, Excel advanced for each row in a worksheet, right? And I will take all the rows which is available and read visible text. Basically, you have to take read cell value, because sometimes what will happen here, if you observe carefully, this is in the string format, right? So here they have added string format. So I don't need it this in the string format or something. Then you have to take read cell value. You can see here what is the difference. I have already uploaded that video also. Right here, 50% will be read, means 50% only you will get it. How you will read, right? The same way you will get it. Read cell value means if you have a 50%, then you will get it as a 50 value, right? I need in this case read cell value. So I'm taking as a read cell value, and I will create one recorder type variable as Excel row. Fine. So now what data we will get it, we will check in the message box. Take the message box and go to the variable insert and take error message, sorry, not error message, error row. By index, I need 0. Why? Because I have the account number in A column. The column A means 0th index, right? Position of the column is 1, but index of the column is 0. Always the index start from 0. So that's why I'm taking as 0. Otherwise, you can go with a name also, account number. Just copy this account number name and have it in the by name. This is also workable. So now Just save and close your input and run the bot. We'll see till now what are all the things are done. The first thing is we are closing all older activities or older files. Then we are opening freshly the active loan DNA website. Then we are downloading the data, means downloading the input file. Then see, downloaded the first active loan account. That particular loan account, I got it in the message box. You can just check it. So I'm not getting the header. Why? Because I have already checked the box in the opening time of your Excel. Header contains, right? That's why it will not give you the header detail. Directly it will go to the second row and it will give you the first column detail, right? 325, right? If you close it, second one it will come 673, 673, right? Like this, you will get one by one account number. That's it. What next? So now I have a account number, fine. But now I have to check in the website where my account number details are available, right? It might be somewhere in this data table, right? So we have to check where exactly my account number is available. For that purpose, they have given one requirement logic, that is, whenever you have the loan code, the last four digit of your loan code is exactly same as last four digit of your account number, right? So that one logic they have already given in the requirement. The last four digit of your loan code is exactly same as last four digit of your account number. So by that we have to check this particular line is belongs to which account number, right? So that logic we have to build down. So step by step we will go here. My message box is there. Fine. After the message box, what I will do, okay, before this only, okay, after opening the Excel, I will take a recorder, okay, recorder type variable, recorder, drag and drop the recorder and go to the variable and mention win active loan. This is very important. Go to the variable and mention as win active loan and capture the object. Directly you can take capture object, auto detect and hover the mouse. Why? Because this will not dynamically change. See, in RPA, we have to analyze the website carefully. See, requirement is the first priority. You have to observe a requirement 100%. We have to clarify with the requirement. Then the next thing is you have to analyze your goal application. This is website mean how it will work. What is the properties of this particular website, right? Here I got to know if I refresh also this table will never change. Only I have a three columns, right? But in locator scenario, if you observe that locator scenario, if you watch that, there we will get a different table structure that is dynamically changed. But here we are not getting like that. So I'm just taking a recorder type variable. Just click on this table. Once you click on the table, you will get a table captured command. Wait for that. It is taking recording and saving. Fine. So now what I have to do in the action taken, so I have to take get table, right? And I will save this get table into capture table data. Fine. So now I have a data inside my data table, capture data table, right? So now what I have to do, I need to compare. Okay, now what we have to do to compare that one is very simple. So I will take another loop, right? Inside the first loop. The first loop is for your Excel advanced file. Second loop is for your data which is extracted from your website. Okay, here I have to take data table for each row in a table. And the data table is capture table data and recorder type variable. So I will create a recorder type variable called table row. So basically I have a two table rows now. One is, sorry, two record type variable. One is Excel row, another one is table row. Excel row is your input Excel. Your table row is your website extracted data recorder type variable. Okay. So now what I have to do, I need to compare the data. Before going to compare, so if you observe carefully the requirement as we discussed. The last four character of the account number is very important here, right? To get that last four character of the account number, I need to use a substring. Okay, substring in the string. So just drag and drop this substring activity and take your data. So where I will get Excel row account number. This particular command, I will get a number of account number, right? Account number I will get. Where the starting from, right? Starting from, if you go to your input, I will give you the beautiful logic here. Very simple logic is total length of this particular account number. If you observe, all the account number is having 12, right? 12 length. So if you need 7325 means, so where we have to start, starting position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the ninth character, you have to get a data, right? 9, 10, 11, 12. The four characters, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? So that's why what I will do here, starting from 9 and the length is 4. And I will save this particular value inside str account number, okay, only last four digits. I'm taking as like this. Okay, str account number, only last four digits in description. Create and select, done. So now basically what I will have in the str account number, it's in the string, okay? It's in the string format. So I will have a last four digit. So now inside this loop, inside the data table loop, I will take one if condition. If, drag and drop, and I will take a string condition to compare the last four digits, right? How we have to compare? Very simple here. The first thing is where we have to compare. You have to compare that four digits in the loan code, right? Loan code column. What is the index of loan code column? That is 1 because status column is 0th index. Second index is loan code. So that's why what I will do here, I will take a insert variable as table row by index. I will go with 1, right? And if it includes, okay, I'm taking includes, not equals. If it includes last four character of str account number. Match case I'm just removing, not requiring the number case, right? Table row 1, if it is includes str account number, then that particular row is matching with your account number of your input, right? So example, this particular one, 7325, it will go and check 7325 is available or not in the first row. If it is not available in the first row, it will go to the second, third, fourth. Where exactly available, it will check. In the first row, it is available. Fine. It is available in the first row. We got it. So now what I have to do? I need to extract the status and PAN number, right? I need status also and PAN number also in G and H column. I will directly extract that first. Okay. So directly I will go here and I will take assign option, assign. It's a string assign. Okay. Take as a string, and where you will get exactly your status in the 0th column of your table. So I'm taking as 0. Very simple. Table 0 and create as str status account, not number, account status, right? Str account status I'm creating, create and select, done. So same way I need to create a PAN number also. Where I will get a PAN number? So I will get 0, 1, 2, right? Second index. In the second index, just I will change it as second in the table row and create as str PAN number. That's it. So now str account number, sorry, account status and PAN number is extracted properly. Now what is next? I need to download this particular file. Then I need to unzip, right? To do that one, I will take one comment. So comment to differentiate, download zip file. right? Download the zip file. I'm taking as. So now here what I have to do very simply, if I tell, so here to download the zip file, don't no need to take any record or no need to take any universal recorder. Here also same thing how we have downloaded the input, right? Same way we can download, just right click and copy the link address and try to check, okay, if it is download or not. So if you check here bot DNA active loan zip file, if you enter it, it will download properly, right? So like this you can download it manually, means you can download in automation anywhere also using download option in browser. Download file, okay, in the download file just give the URL, but here you have what, this is the one 7325, right? That is exactly same as your account number, right? So what I will do basically, this account number I will remove and I will make it as dynamic. How to make it as dynamic? I have already my account number. Okay, here if I show you here, this is the account number, Excel row account number. Same thing I will copy and I will paste it here. That is my account number. You can take it by the insert variable also, no issue. Okay, and where I need to save. To save this one, I will take one of the folder as zip files. Okay, I'm taking as like this, and I will give the location of this zip file for saving the downloaded file and overwrite existing file. That's it. Fine. Now my zip file will be saved in that particular location, right? And what is the zip file name you need it? I will take account number only. That is fine. Right? Same thing I will copy and I will add it here. That is best practice to use. Right? The same zip file name you will get it. Fine. So now download also completed. Once it is downloaded, what we have to do next? So once if it is downloaded here, example, so what I have to do, I need to unzip that one, right? For unzip purpose, I have a unzip folder. Take that one and give the full path, right? That path is same as this save location path, right? And give the path name here. That's it. And extract to that which path you need it, right? The data which will extract or data which you want to extract, that particular file where you have to keep it. So I will take it as another folder, that is output. Okay, output files. Basically, I'm creating different folder structure to give the clarity to you. So the first one is zip file. Only the zip file it will download. From here, it will unzip and it will come onto output file. So I'm giving as a output file, right? This is the folder, output file folder, and replace existing file, no issue, and unzip. So unzip, till unzip we have completed. Now just I will run the bot and I will show you what exactly we will get it. So don't save it and run the bot. So now basically half of the project is completed. We have extracted status, we have extracted PAN number, and we are comparing with account numbers of 4 digits, and we are downloading that particular file also. After that unzip also completed, now the real logic we have to apply in the text file inside the zip we have, right? That one. We'll see how it will work. So it is opening the spreadsheet and the first one 325. Okay. It is downloading the file, unzip, second one it is go. So just check in the output active loans, is it properly downloaded or not? First you can go and check in the zip. Yes, zip is downloaded. And output file, if you check it, yes, output file also downloaded, right? So see 7325, output file also downloaded properly. So now what we have to do, once it is downloaded and unzipped, so we have to open this particular text file like this, and I need to extract one by one detail. Bank name, branch name, loan amount, and EMI. These things I need to extract and I need to keep it inside the input file. So how to do that activity inside your text file. For that purpose, we have a, I will take one step, okay, and I will add some steps here, okay. The first step is here, like this, I will add, okay, um, extract the data from table, okay. So now another step I will take, fine, okay, unzip also I will keep it here. And another step is if you do like this, okay, extraction from the table. Next, extract data from txt file. This is also very important, right? So first is extract data from the table is completed. Step by step we are going. Extract data from the txt file. To extract the data from the txt file, we have one way is txt, right? Read the txt file. Directly take the read. Before that, we have to take a open. Okay, open txt, and here, what is the path of the txt file? Very simple. Where you have downloaded the file, right? Not a zip, unzip. So where you have unzipped, right? That is the path. Copy that one and come here in the desktop. You can take it browse and wait for browse to open. So meanwhile, I'm requesting you, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel. That is very important. Whenever you will subscribe and comment on the videos, I will get motivation to do the next projects. So I hope these projects are very important to learn the real-time scenarios. So just I will give this path and I will take this one. So now I need to make it dynamic, right? So here I have a account number. Same way I will remove the account number and I will add account number variable, right? This is the variable. Just I'm copying to save the time. Otherwise you can insert from the your insert value, okay. Just do like this, fine. So now text is open, same I will take a close also, okay. Open and close is very important. In between that I need to read it, read, okay. And this readed value will come under data table structure, table from CSV. Otherwise what you can do, without using this, if it is come in the table structure, I don't know how it will come in the table structure, because just observe carefully here. Account number is there, bank, branch, loan, amount, like this it is there, right? So, okay, to easy way, I will take it. I will not take this open or close. I will take directly text, text. Okay, we will see text file. Yes, I have a text file. Get text. Okay, the both you can use it. One is text, txt. Another one is get text file. Basically, why I'm not in the read txt file, why I have deleted that previously used, because it will come under the data table structure. I need to use again the loop and all. So I don't want to use the loops again. So directly we have a substring property and extract text property that I need to use it. So that's why I'm taking desktop file and browse. Okay, what is the path of the file? Just take it here and paste here and take this one, right? And instead of this one account number, I will just go with browse, sorry, not browse, take account number and come here and paste it here, fine. So now I have account number dynamically, and trim the leading space and trailing space, that is very important. And here str txt file input, right? I'm taking as txt file input. So now I have a data inside the txt file input. So now I need to extract one by one data, right? To extract the data, see how it will be available in the TXT means like this, right? Like this it will be. So I need a bank name. To get the bank name, so it is in between the bank and branch, right? So that logic we have to apply in the extract text. That is one of the beautiful command we have, extract text in the string. Okay, we have discussed what is extract text in the previous videos. Already I have uploaded in the string videos. You can watch that one. Okay, in the extract text, I need to give a input as str. What is that? Str txt file input. That I have to take it. Str txt file input. And now before the bank, sorry, after the bank, before the branch, I have a bank name, right? After the bank. So that's why I'm just copying the bank. And here, if you see before and after, okay, before and after you have to take it. Start after the text of bank, occurrence is one, and end before the text of branch, right? This one you have to give it. And you can trim, okay, match case and everything is by default trim, and save it inside str bank name. Fine. ba bank name, okay, bank, done. So our bank name is completed. Same way I will just take a extract text again. So what is next? I need a, okay, the bank name and branch name. I need a branch name. To get a branch name, it will be between branch and loan taken on, right? So I will take it as branch. Here again your strtxt input, and before and after I will take it before the branch, and after is loan taken on. Okay, so like this. Fine. So now this will save under str branch, branch name, create and select. Done. The same way I need to extract, just I will copy paste the same thing. Okay, I need to change only the logics. So same way I need to extract. The next one is loan taken on amount. Okay, loan taken on. So this loan taken on is between loan taken on, right? Loan taken on and your amount, right? Amount. The same thing I'm doing here, and save it inside str amount. I hope this is clear about you. So if you're not clear, please watch the video again slowly. So that will be very important. Okay, now next one is EMI. So EMI, sorry, next is amount. I hope. 1 second. Sorry, I have made a mistake here. STR loan taken date. I'm taking as loan taken date. This is loan taken date actually. So next one is amount. Okay, to get the amount, what you have to do, it is in between amount and EMI, right? So that's why I have to give here amount and EMI. In between that, I have a data, right? That's why. Fine. So this will be saved under amount. Fine. So next, the last one. So this is very, very important. It's not like other, right? Because EMI is the last one. After that, I don't have any properties to check before and after, right? For that purpose, just copy this EMI. And what I have to do after the EMI of the month, I have a EMI value, right? So if you check here in the extract text, before is a one, start after the text, right? Start after the EMI month. This you have to take it before, not before and after. Before you have to take start after the EMI of the month. Save it. And this particular EMI of the month has to save in EMI variable. I need to create. It is taking time to save. Okay, save. So now I will create as strEMI. That's it. Fine. So now all the data I have extracted, right? So EMI till EMI and PAN number status already we have extracted and saved. Now what is next? The next thing is I need to store this data inside the Excel back. This is the last step we have to do it. Please be with me. Okay, we will complete all the things. Now these things are completed, right? So I'm just collapsing. Now I need to add another step called save the data in Excel. That's it. So input Excel, we have columns we have. In that, I need to save the data. How I can save the data back into Excel? That is the most important thing here. To save the data in the Excel, I need a counter value because I need to start from the second index, right? Sorry, second row of your Excel sheet. But I don't have any reference to that to save in second row or something. For that purpose, what I will do, I will create one variable in the number. Okay, take the number, type and give it as number counter. Okay, num counter and create it. That's it. So now once you create a number counter, we have to assign that variable. Okay, that number count variable, assign from number, drag and drop inside the loop. Where you have to drag and drop, very simple, inside the if condition. Here you have to drag and drop. And here you can take num counter plus 1 to increment that one because the my default value of the counter is 0. Okay, I will make it as 0 in the counter. If you observe carefully here, where is my num counter? Okay, default value is 0. See, default value is 0, right? So already it is 0. So that's why I'm taking 0 plus 1 because I need to start from the second, right? I will show you what we have to do for that. So this one I will save it in the num counter again. And the same num counter I will keep outside of your loop. Where exactly? This loop. Okay, outside of your this loop. And here what I will do, I will take it as 1. So it will start from the 1. Num counter. So my default value of the counter before starting my data table loop is 1. Always it will make it as before starting your data table row as 1. Okay. Now inside the data table it is incrementing plus 1. Incrementing by 1 in the inside data table. Right. So what will happen now? Not in the if condition. After your loop, I'm taking as inside plus 1. So what will happen every time it will go inside the loop of your data table, it will increment a row. It will start from always your second row, right? So what you have to do in the save Excel, take the set cell. Basically, we have used the Excel advanced to open the input, right? Same thing, set cell I'm using, and specific cell is one by one we have to clear. Okay, bank. I need to take the bank. So B, specific cell is B, and what is the value of the counter is num counter. This is a cell value dot to string. And what is the cell value I need to keep it? It's a bank, right? Bank number, str bank name. That's it, done. The same way again set cell. Next, what is that? B is completed. Now branch, right? Just I will maintain as a C here and I will take instead of bank number, I will take branch number. Sorry, branch name, right? Done. The same way I will take paste it and now it is a C, right? What is C? Sorry, C is completed. D. What is D? D is loan taken on, right? So loan taken. So just I will take it as loan taken date, right? So completed. Next one is E. Okay, D is completed. Same way, E I have to take it. So E is amount. So what I will do, just change it as str amount. Right? All the things we have already created in our variable section, right? So that's why no need to bother about your um, what you call the value or something, directly you can take it a variable. In the F column is EMI, STR, EMI, right? Everything is available, just you have to paste it. Okay, after that is PAN number in the G column. So G have to refer, and here PAN number, right? So what is next? So next is a status. So now we will take it as which column? H column, right? Maintain as H, and here you can take it as str status. Okay, what is that str status? Account status. Okay, account status is a variable. Take it, done. So now just to save the bot and close your input sheet and try to run the bot. Okay, once it is saved, I hope you have clearly understand this logic, whatever we have done till now, right? So please do it in your system after watching my video, or step by step you can pause and you can do it in your system. Definitely you will get lot of things about this particular scenario. And this is very much similar to your real-time company project. You can get a lot of real-time exposure from this particular project. So now basically what are all the things we have done? The first module we have cleared all old detail or old files which is available, right? In the second module we have opened the input, means downloaded input file we have opened, and we have extracted the data from the particular bot DNA active loan. Right now we are comparing, means your input detail we are comparing with your extracted data from your active loan. Okay, now this is first one, 2325. I'm just closing. One by one we will go. Some. Okay, now it is comparing with your data table row, and it is downloading. See, downloading a file, means zip file it is downloading. So unzip, the first one is completed. So how we will get to know that is completed or not? Just go to your Excel sheet. See, all the details are captured, but something went wrong here. We'll see what is that exactly. So it is started from the third row. Okay, fine. For that, what we have to do, very simple. I will show you. Don't save. If you go here and check, it is started from the third row. Why? Because my counter value, right? So my counter value is +1. If it is include, it is going inside. And here I'm taking num counter value. Okay. So here assigning num counter into num counter +1. So here I am taking num counter is 1. Fine. Okay, why? Because here if you observe carefully, your header also it is taking from your data table. Header also taking as a first column, or sorry, first row. So that's why what we have to do here in our automation anywhere, instead of 1, it will start from 0. Means from your first row, it will start as 0, right? This is a 0th row, and this is first row, this is second row, right? So that's why I need to start from the 1 itself. So what I will do, I will take it as 0 and just close it and close, run the bot again. So now you will get a proper data inside the Excel sheet. We will see how it will work. Okay. It's downloading the file, open the spreadsheet. So again, I'm requesting you guys, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get first notification to you in the future. Okay, so first one is completed. If you observe carefully here, the first one is completed. So all the data of the first one is extracted properly. If you just see here, Saptagiri Gramin Bank, Raichur, and 30th November. These things are from your text file which is available from the zip, right? So next one, if you close the next one, see next one is also properly extracted. If you properly see here, ICICI Bank, the same thing we have also taken ICICI Bank, right? So next is 673. So like this, each and every data it will capture under your Excel sheet like this, one by one. So I hope you are clear about this particular scenario. If you are not clear, please watch the video again and let me know if any questions you have. Okay. So happy learning. Have a nice day. So you can contact me through any of the social media which is available inside your video description. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Happy learning.